Lander configuration. Landing pages are optional, but if well designed, may result in higher click-through rate and a higher conversion rate. Remember that all your landers must be hosted externally of Voluum. If you want to create a campaign funnel with landers, you have to configure your landing page's HTML first, to then be able to use it in your campaigns. Go to the Tracking URL tab in Settings. Depending on the number of offers you want to place on your page, use the click URL or multi-offer click URL code. Place the click URL into the body section in the lander HTML, where you would normally place your offer URL. Once your lander HTML is ready, you need to add a lander entity in Volume. Go to the Lander section. Click on the New Lander button. Start with setting up a unique name for your lander. Next, paste your landing page URL into the lander URL field. You may also pass additional URL tokens in a lander URL's query string to perform dynamic callouts. In the Number of Offers section, specify the number of offers. Remember that the number of offers set within a lander's configuration must match exactly to the number of Volume click URLs present in the landing page itself. For example, if on a landing page you place 3 unique click URLs, the number of offers should be set to 3. Please note that this field won't be possible to change once saved. Changing the country label will adjust the lander's name. If your lander is intended for multiple geos, set the country field to global. In the tag field, you can add personalized tags to easily search for landers once saved. Next, confirm your setup and click Save to proceed. You will now be returned to the panel view and will see your newly added lander listed.